200 lives aboard, racing toward disaster. Steel wheels scream against the rails, a runaway engine with no brakes. Who could stop this train? But where fear spreads, hope answers. Bullet Man races into the night. Lightning, move me fast. At blinding speed, he keeps pace with the iron beast. Every heartbeat a race against time. Every bolt of lightning in his veins surges as he battles steel and momentum. He's got to stop this train. With one last surge, he becomes an unmovable wall, slowing the unstoppable. And when hope seemed lost, a single hero held the line, Bullet Man. Only he could have stopped that train. His legend runs faster than fear, lighting the path for tomorrow. Wherever shadows fall, Bullet Man rises.